Fluorescence imaging can help us visualize and understand things we typically cannot see. It can shed light to questions such as, what does a cell look like? And where's the cancer tissue hiding in a cancer patient? That is why I work with fluorescent dyes. Specifically, I work with fluorescent dyes that emit light with long wavelengths, because the longer their wavelength, the deeper their tissue penetration, and the greater the resolution. Unfortunately, the longer their wavelength, the lower their brightness. As you might have noticed, an image with poor lighting can be hard to discern. The subject gets lost, leaving the viewer in the dark. I mean, how many of us had a hard time following some scenes in the Harry Potter movies? I know I did. In my research, I made a near-infrared 2 squarane, which is a long wavelength fluorescent dye as shown on the bottom left. Due to its structural flexibility, it can rotate, wiggle, and perhaps even go square dancing. Instead of devoting its energy to emit light, it loses energy easily through motion, further leading to its abysmal brightness. So I thought if I could put something around it to bind its movement, I could enhance its brightness. Here's the thing about squaranes. If you like it, you should put a ring on it. So that's what I did. I encapsulated the squaranes with different sizes of macrocyclic rings. Through rigorous analysis, I was able to prove that the squaranes are positioned nicely within the cavities of the macrocyclic rings as shown on the bottom right. Using a combination of computational and physical experiments, my collaborator and I found that the bigger the ring, the better they are at restricting the squarane's rotation. Much like in real life, putting on a ring greatly restricts one's freedom. But before any of you call off your engagement, what might seem like unnecessary restriction actually leads to an immense enhancement in brightness. Look how brightly we glow. Similarly, putting a ring on a squarane greatly enhances its brightness, which is important to creating and capturing a brighter and clearer fluorescent image. Thank you.